Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Binance to Bitget wallet. It's quite easy to get this done. Open up your Binance application. Now with the Binance app opened up, please make sure you have an account on Binance. If you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify. So you're on Binance, you're looking to send out your crypto, head to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your crypto is stored. And boom, we found the USDT. So click on the USDT, click on the withdrawal icon at the bottom left of the screen, click on send via crypto network. When you've selected the send via crypto network, you're met with the address, the network, and the withdrawal amount. Now, please confirm the network you wish to send on by clicking on the network and going through their minimum withdrawals as well as the arrival time. So once you've selected the network you wish to be sending your tokens in, simply click on the BNB or the BEP20. So now minimize and open up your Bitget wallet. And with the Bitget wallet opened up, we're going to be making use of the receive icon at the top. So click on the receive and simply search for USDT. Once you've searched for USDT, we're going to be working with USDT on the BNB chain. So click on the BNB chain, simply copy your wallet address or scan the QR code. So once you've minimized, open up your Binance, paste the wallet address there, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and click on the withdrawal option. Enter your biometrics or any withdrawal option that has been set, and then you can simply click on confirm and then withdraw your cryptocurrency into your Bitget wallet, which once it's there, you simply reload and boom, USDT would then be on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.